Here's the dough, Mother.
Thank you, my dear.
It smells wonderful.
They are almost ready.
Pull, my strong ones. The earth is ready.
They are strong, Father. The furrow is straight.
Good eye, my son. You will lead soon. I will make you proud. Good girl.
Look, Mother. The water splashes so high.
Be careful, my dear. Don't get too wet.
I won't. It's fun.
Such a happy helper.
Hee.
Almost done. Hold it steady, like this.
The thread is slipping on me.
Patience, my dear. Try again.
Oh, I got it.
That's it. Good work.
Baba, look at the carrots.
Haha, yes, son.
We'll get some. And onions, too.
Of course. Such energy.
Here you go, little ones. Don't push. There's enough for everyone.
Good children. The animals are happy.
This goat is so jumpy.
Gently now, children. Let's fill these baskets. Look, Father, I got a big one.
Mine is full, too.
Well done. Let's gather them here. And the brave warrior raised his sword high.
Wow.
The dragon roared, but he stood firm.
Hee.
With a mighty swing, he struck the beast down.
Wonderful. Sleepy.
Time for sleep, my dears.
Good night, Baba.
Good night, my children.